Hello and welcome. I'm Jonathan,
And I'm Amy.
and this is J&A.
Travel Day.
All right, welcome to room 9222 on Wonder of the Seas. This is a balcony stateroom on the port side of the ship.
And it's a really great room. It's your standard cruise ship room, but we have this lovely vanity area, which I always think Royal Caribbean does right. It's perfect for a desk or for getting ready in the mornings.
They have plenty of outlets, which I always like to point out, because everybody worries about that. 2 USB and then multiple outlets for you to plug in your stuff.
Your standard drawers, hair dryer, tissues, and then the little cooler is here. If you need something like a medicine fridge, that is something you have to ask for, but does have a little cooler in here. You have a couch that I do believe turns into a bed.
Yep.
So definitely an option in here. A couple drawers, long hanging on this side along with the safe.
And then a few shelves in there as well. All right, and then over here you have your full long hanging, which on the shorter cruises don't have a lot to hang up, but on the longer cruises, definitely a nice spot to have.
And if these hangers are shaky during the night, we throw a towel on them and it does quiet them down.
Bathroom. The newer bathrooms are always so nice. Glass shower doors, and then your standard bathroom. The only thing I'm not a fan of, there's no covered or contained storage for you to leave stuff out in. Everything is open to the air. You have your royal king bed over here, and then some more hanging against the wall under the TV, which is always nice.
Definitely. On either side, you have the little lamp and more plug-ins, which is fantastic because sometimes on the older ships, all the plugs are on one side of the bed, but you do have them on either side.
Or vanity only.
Yeah,
These have
exactly.
both a plug and a USB. And then you got your balcony. 2 chairs and a table. Endless ocean views.
Definitely. And we also want to point out on these ships, they have these side kind of doors that will open. So if you have friends or family on either side of you, you can open those up, extend your balcony, and just get more views.
Hope you all get to stay in one of these rooms in an upcoming cruise.